Grammar points. 你家有几口人? The measure word, 口, is most commonly used in the context of counting family members in questions like, 你家有几口人, and responses such as, 我家有八口人, meaning, there are 8 people in my family. Please keep in mind that the measure word, 口, is specifically used for counting the total number of people in a family unit, not for individual family members like numbers of brothers or sisters. For individual family members like brothers, 弟弟, or sisters, 姐姐, the appropriate measure word is 个. For example, 我有3个弟弟, meaning, I have 3 younger brothers. Instead of, 我有3口弟弟, which is an incorrect usage of the measure word 口. 口, in Chinese originally referred to a person's mouth. Over time, it came to represent a person as a whole, particularly in the context of a household. Since family members are often considered as individual mouths to feed, the term, 口, is used to indicate the number of people in a family, such as a family of 3, 一家3口人. This usage emphasizes the importance of each member within the household. Now, your turn. How do you say, there are 6 people in my family? I have 2 older sisters and 1 younger brothers. Yes, correct. 我家有6口人. 我有2个姐姐和1个弟弟.